judge, verify, validate, and hopefully celebrate a new Guinness World Records title. But it's not going to be easy. The minimum number of participants to get this record is 251. We have 254 spots on that field. So if just 3 or 4 people are disqualified, you will not get the record title. Here is what me and my stewards are going to be looking for. We're looking for full participation. That means you are actively engaged in the game. Your hands are on the handlebars at all times. Health and safety, of course, is our #1 rule, but if you leave the pitch, you will be disqualified. And like I said, you need 251. We only have 254 spots. So it really is on every single one of you for full participation today. We'll have 2 20-minute halves and a halftime, and we are playing the regular rules of soccer, but it's going to be human foosball today. So I'm super excited to be here. Thank you so much for having me.
And now, Chloe, is there anything to do with the scoring of the game today?
Yes, thank you, Maria. So each team needs to score a minimum of 3 goals. Can we do it?
All right, thank you so much.
I'm zone 4, so I found my entrance to the pitch. Hey guys, are you zone 4 as well? Nice. Love it.
Hey Cookie, I'm here with your nice looking husband, good guy, and make sure he sets the record today. Otherwise, he ain't coming home.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations on a great game. Now, I'm an official adjudicator for Guinness World Records, and my job is to verify, validate, and sometimes celebrate new Guinness World Record titles. But part of my job is delivering good and bad news. I just conferred with my stewards, and today you achieved 254 participants. Congratulations, you're officially amazing!
We did it! We did it! Guinness Book World Record holder right here, baby. We did it.